Today, I'm going to show you how to hide your online status on Telegram, a quick privacy upgrade that lets you control exactly who knows when you're online or when you were last active. By the end of this tutorial, you'll understand not just how to tweak these settings, but also why each option matters for your privacy and how to customize them for your needs. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Telegram and head straight into Settings. You'll usually find Settings at the bottom right if you're on mobile, or under the main menu if you're using Telegram on your desktop. Think of Settings as your command center. This is where you control how Telegram treats your data and privacy. Once you're in Settings, look for the Privacy and Security section. This is the hub for all things privacy-related on Telegram. Tap into it and you'll see Last Seen and Online. That's our focus today. Go ahead and select it. This is where you can decide who gets to see when you were last active and whether your online status is visible at all. Now, under the Who Can See Your Last Seen Time section, you've got three main choices: everyone, my contacts, or nobody. Here, what each means and why you might choose one over the others. If you set it to everyone, your exact online status is visible to anyone on Telegram. It's the most open, good if you rely on easy communication, but not so great if you want more privacy. Switching to My Contacts restricts visibility to only people saved in your phone's address book and Telegram contacts. This is a sensible middle ground, just friends, family, and trusted folks, no strangers peeking into your online habits. If privacy is a priority, this is a popular choice. And then there's Nobody. With this chosen, your actual online status is hidden from everyone, perfect if you want to be fully off the radar. Some people pick this when they need to focus, avoid distractions, or simply want their activity to remain their own business. But Telegram lets you go a step further with fine-tuning. No matter if you pick Nobody or My Contacts, you'll see an Add Exceptions section appear. Here, how you can get really specific. You can always share with certain users, maybe your partner, your best friend, or your boss, even if your general setting is more private. Just tap to add their names and they'll still see your status no matter what. Or you can never share with someone. Let's say you want to hide your status from just one group chat or a certain coworker. You can block them even if your main setting is more open. This way you keep control rather than an all-or-nothing approach. Let's pause for an important detail before we finish. Last seen versus online. When you hide your last seen time from someone, they won't see you as online while you're using the app. Instead, they'll see a general time estimate like within a week, within a month, within a year, or just a long time ago. It's a little vague on purpose. You keep your privacy while still giving a minimal hint that you use Telegram. Remember, privacy goes both ways with Telegram. If you hide your last seen from everyone by choosing Nobody, you won't be able to see other people's exact last seen times either. Telegram keeps things balanced, so consider what's important for you, and that's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you've brought your Telegram privacy game to the next level. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below if you have any questions, or if you have a favorite privacy tip of your own to share. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical, easy-to-follow guides. See you next time.